Severe storms are striking Oklahoma and Kansas tonight. Thankfully, we are looking a lot calmer on this end of the nation, and we do have some rain heading towards us as we go into tomorrow and Friday. So this first day of sunshine that we're seeing since last week, that goes away in a hurry. We're right back to the rainy conditions. They have been beneficial, though. So far, just over 8 inches of rain since March 1st. If we look at March, April, and May of last year, only 5.5 inches of rainfall. I got a pretty good feeling we might end up doubling up on that for this spring, which would actually be average, as we were well below average as of last year when it came to rainfall, which is why we got into those drought conditions. No worries about drought this year, though, as we do see more wet weather streaming towards us. So we avoid those severe storms that you see in Oklahoma and Texas. We end up on the northern end of this weather system, so we're just going to get some light rainfall at times as that brushes the state line over the next 2 days. So it's going to take a little while for this low pressure system to move along. Tonight's dry, though. Well, it's going to stay cloudy, as we did have some clear weather earlier on, but look for those clouds to roll back in. Temperature staying in the 40s, which is a little warmer than the past couple nights. Then looking ahead to tomorrow, starting out dry and cloudy. We get into the afternoon. That's when the rain showers are back, and note that the rain chances ramp up as the day goes along. So by tomorrow evening, definitely looking at a steady rain at times. Here's future track. We kick off the afternoon with very spotty rainfall. We'll see those showers stream in over the course of the afternoon, and note there are these little pockets of dry time every so often, so not looking at the soaking rain like we picked up the last 2 rain events. May even dry out briefly into tomorrow evening. More rain possible going into Friday morning, and note, not picking up a ton of rain overall, but it does stay a little on the pesky end over the next couple days, and there are better chances for some slightly higher amounts south of I-88 versus north of I-88, as you saw over the course of future track. So some spots south of I-88 could end up over 1 inch of rainfall. Everywhere else, it might be more like a 1/2 inch of rain over the next couple days. Still a decent amount of rain, but a lot lower than the 1 inch plus amounts that we've seen on and off since last week. Temperature-wise, a little cool for another day in a row, only to 60 degrees for a high temperature. That's close to 10 below average. But looking ahead of the forecast, after a long stretch of cooler weather, including the last couple days, we do see a big spike in temperatures soon. Cool through the end of the work week, then we jump way up, and that means temperatures in the 80s soon. So this weekend, back to the 70s, so that's a round average. Then closer to 90 as we head into early next week. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, conditions will remain on the very warm end of things as we stay possibly in the 80s clear through next week. In the meantime, cool weather, still on target with the 4-degree guarantee as a result. 416 for the cash total, Brittany.
This is a big jackpot, Alex. Thanks.